Hello everyone, today we will talk about new lines and curves nodes. So now we have this line generator segment and let's say we create a circle. This circle has a radius and subdivisions, basically how many lines we want to create to represent this circle. Okay, so these lines have materials, basically it's just a color. And we can make it yellow and make lines thicker. Okay, the lines have modifiers. Let's say we use FBM. And let's make subdivisions higher, something like 100. So if we make amplitude higher, we can see these results. Frequency higher, and we have transform nodes also working on these lines. So let's say we use transform CPU, connect this line. We can use a looper node for this, and let's say we rotate it around X. So we connect it, use angles 0 to 360. We can make it faster. Also, we can use GPU instancing. We can use line general, line material, and modifier, line scatter. We can use like plane grid. And now we have a lot of those. Let's make it, let's reduce the radius so we can see all of these circles. Obviously we have a lot of new line generator nodes. We can use triangle. Also it has subdivisions for every side. Kinda a neat feature. Maybe I actually implement the one with all the same subdivisions for each side, but this kinda covers that also. And yeah, that will be pretty much it for today. Thank you guys very much for watching and see you next time.